Hey guys, welcome back to my graphics overhaul DevLog. In today's video, we are going to be building the shop, or redoing it. As I said at the end of the last video is what we were going to be doing. So what I have planned in mind really is I rotated the little spawn position, so then you'll spawn facing over here. And really what I want is when you spawn into the game, I want the shop to be the first thing you see, as that will be the place where you will be getting all the bats and whatever I put into the game. So that can be a big part. So let's get into this. So pretty much all we need to do is, well, get rid of that. Alright. And my main goal is just make it look better than this, which probably won't be too hard. I don't have a reference of what I want it to look like. I'm just doing this all off the brain. So, I don't know how long this will take, but I will insert a time lapse here of me building. So I'll see you then. Alright. I have gotten done with the template of the shop here. So let me explain what I'm going for here. It doesn't look the prettiest on the outside right now, but I am going for a thing going on here. It's like a cave. So I'm gonna be adding hills, like more hills that go over the shop. So it looks like it's kind of like in a mountain. And you walk in here, walk on these paths. Here will be 2 leaderboards. One for the, like global leaderboards. So try and get on top of them. One for most money and the most wins. And now these over here, I'm thinking I'll put like limited time bats that you can either buy with coins or with Robux. Um, so everybody has a chance to get them, not just the people with Robux. And then over here will be your shop guy you can talk to get the normal bats. So I'll be adding bit more decor, like probably a couple lanterns, maybe a standing torch. I don't know what to put over here. Hopefully someone will comment what you think I should put over here, and I will do that if I think it'll fit. But right now, we've pretty much gotten the base of everything here. We just need to add our shop sign and our hills and decor. So let's get started with that now. Here is another time lapse. Alright, this is the only decor I added so far, as I see this video is getting kind of long, and I don't want the time lapses to be too long. So I'm gonna split the shop video up into two parts. This first part you see here, we got basically the base of it and this first decoration. A little hanging sign that you can hit around if you want. I think that was pretty neat. But in the next part of this video we will be adding the hills that go over, and probably some maybe some decorations on the hills. I don't know. But for now, we got this. Next part, we'll make it have a roof, and we'll add the finishing decorations inside the shop. So that is it for today's video. Here's what the shop looks like so far. We got some paths we can walk on. This will be where the limited bats will be. Leaderboards, wins, coins, and you can buy your normal bets from this guy right here. I don't know what to put here. We'll figure that out though. I might put some paintings on the wall. Maybe. We'll see. But you can knock this around if you want. I thought that's a cool feature, so then I added it. But that'll be all for today's devlog. Stay tuned for part 2. Will probably be out sooner than 7 days like this one. 7-8 days, I don't know. Yeah, stay tuned for that, and I will catch y'all next time.